Our church is that side. Going for mass, 8 o'clock mass, sir, we have to leave 7:30 from here. Just 5 minutes साठी church राहणार. But
अर्ध्यावर पहिली होते पट्टा
traffic लागून. Because of this traffic. But if vehicle, minister येतो कोण येतो चला half an hour we are हिंगा दूध तापता. आमचे traffic बोलतात. आता national games आणि त्यांना इतके पोलीस आलेले का सर? त्यांना पण रिस्क केले बिग बसी ते छोडले वडले जनरेटर त्यांना हिंगा पोलीस करते. आता पोलीस गेले.
आता नॉर्मल टाइम
त्या टायमार ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज जातं.
ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज आता त्यांना कसं ट्रॅफिक आमचा परस्पर टाइम
सगळे दोघं जण पोलीस आले. आता एमएलए त्यामुळे ते लोक
आताही दोन जण ना एमएलए आणि इथले लोक आपलं काम करते सोडून गोयकार आपले आले काम त्यांना एकलो असा आणि तो एकलो असा आणि तो एकलो असा त्याचे जर आम्ही अल्कोहोल टेस्ट केलेला त्याच्यात 1 लिटर अल्कोहोल मेल्टर असतो उघड होता
हायवेचे उभे राहतात ते साइड राहतात हे साइड राहतात ओके व्हॉट अबाउट द सर्व्हिस रोड ही ट्रॅफिक सोर्स सर्व्हिस
ट्रॅफिक ला पोलीस ला काय उघड दोघं ऍक्शन होते तर पुरो सांग
responsible for all this thing.
Umbrellas is not a solution. It is a temporary solution. This temporary has gone over a year. Let us be very clear. All cock and bull stories are proven. Signal is approved. Municipality has approved. Nothing has happened. What is the approval? It is not happening. Secondly, the administration seems to be sleeping. Not only in this case, it is being everywhere. I am very clear on this cut. In fact, I heard a minister saying that there is no accident taking place. 99% of the accidents they don't register. Each car they go, each vehicle they go and solve their problem. And I will tell you, take it writing from me, if this gets delayed, one of the traffic cops will be taken by one truck, and he will lose his life.
Guys, तुम्ही inspection आहे Peddem Juction, which is high risk of traffic and accident.
See, I'll tell you, I've called only 2 departments which are important. One is the National Highway and the police, because there is shortage of police which we have seen over here, and the police also has to make suggestions relating to the road. Because if their notes are not there, their proposal are not there, it may not be considered. So that is the one. National Highway is the other authority which gives the sanctions. So once the National Highway gives the sanctions, the work is executed. And since it is under NHAI, it is NHAI alone which is required to do it. They don't pass the buck to municipality or panchayat to anybody else. They execute the work. So these are the 2 important departments which were needed and which came. So this was what the SP of traffic was supposed to come. Akshat Kaushal, he was supposed to come, and along with PI Malal, but they have gone for EFI this thing briefing. So because of that, they told me they would not be able to come. So PI Gauresh is coming.